Hello, good morning, everybody. Today, we're just talking about essential oil for beginners. If you have any question, please type it in the chat and we will address it at the end. So, what are essential oils? So, just get my slideshow. So, what are essential oils? Essential oils are natural, highly concentrated compounds found in the root, bark, seed, flower, and other areas of the plant. Essential oils gives plants its aroma, protects the plant from harsh environmental conditions and insects. It plays a role in the plant pollination. Volatile aromatic compounds. So tiny organic molecules that are known to quickly transform from liquid to or solid state to gas when they reach room temperature. And you will find that occasionally, if you forget to close your bottle of essential oil, by the time you return the next day, maybe there won't be any oil in it. So remember to close your bottle afterwards. So there has been lots of historical citing of essential oil use around the world. It has been known in Egypt as they used to preserve the pharaohs' bodies. They used to bathe in it. The Roman baths, the Indian Ayurvedic, and using various plant material for various diseases and all that. The term aromatherapy started in France, where for the first time aromatherapy was looked at seriously. So why use essential oil to manage moods? So essential oils are natural. They generate a quick response, and it is a simple way to manage emotions. For example, when you use lavender, a lot of people use it to help them sleep, to relax. It also helps healing. Everyday use for essential oils, it can be used in cooking. For example, rosemary or oregano can be used in cooking, pasta sauces, etc. It's good for digestion. It's great for skin and hair. And there is a whole range of aromatherapy products around the world for hair and skin. It also supports the immune system because a lot of oils are like antibacterial and antiviral. So it helps support our immune system. We have On Guard, and that can be used for cleaning. It has clove in it, which is excellent for repelling insects. It's an antiviral, and it's one of the blends, proprietary blends that doTERRA has. And it can be good for hay fever. So lavender and peppermint and lemon, you can make a nice personal diffuser. 1 drop of each. Rub your hand first thing in the morning, and it can help clear your sinuses, help these eyes that a lot of people with allergies get. So just changing. So health benefits of essential oil. So lavender, for example, can soothe an occasional skin irritation. It can be applied neat to the skin. Like peppermint is excellent for digestive problems. We have lemon and all the citrus oils. They are great to support the immune system. Lavender can help you with a good night's sleep. And we got peppermint, which is great to relieve occasional stomach upset. So emotional benefit of oils. Oils can help you keep you calm, energized. It can soothe you. It can renew you, invigorate you, and uplift you. So when you smell oil, it can get to work very quickly. Within 30 seconds, the oil is already working through your system. Sorry. So doTERRA has a whole range of emotional oils. So we can talk about. So how can we use oil to manage emotion or even to manage pain or digestive issues? First way to use oil, you can use it aromatically. So you can smell it straight from the bottle, or you can just in a vaporizer and run the vaporizer and have the smell around the house. And you can apply it topically. So if you have like a rash, you can apply lavender or burn, or if you have pain, you can apply ice blue. And some of the doTERRA oils have been licensed to be taken internally. So basically any of the items like lemon, orange, because they are food items, the oil can be used in small amounts in food for flavoring and purposes. I have used oregano in tomato sauce, chicken with lemon. It does. You can feel that flavor. So aromatic use for essential oil. Some of the sets that you can buy at Sign Up come with a vaporizer there, the purple one. So what you do, you mix, you can mix oil with water in a spray bottle and mist over carpet, furniture, and other linen in the room. You can add a drop or two in a homemade surface cleaner. You can place a drop of oil in your hand and rub your palm together, cup your hand over your nose and inhale. So you don't even need a vaporizer if there are other ways of bringing the oil to your life where you can smell it. So topically, you can apply it to the affected area. So for example, you can put peppermint on your forehead when you have like just hairline. If you have a headache, it can help relax your temples and your forehead and can relieve your headache. If you have chronic pain, you can have it for that pain. You can, if you feel like a chest or cold coming, you can dilute some easy air and rub it over your chest. You can rub peppermint on your belly if you have belly pain. Like sports medicine, ice blue has, is used by a lot of sports people for pain management. And just for sensitive area, like around the eyes, or if you have very sensitive skin, or you have broken skin. So avoid putting oil straight on the broken skin. Avoid it around the eye. If ever you get any oil close to the eye, just apply a carrier oil and that will help take it away. And don't put oil in your eyes or ear, inside your ear. And if you have sensitive skin, then you can test the oil on a not so prominent area, and just make sure that it's okay before you start using it. So topical use of essential oil. So you can place a few drops in your bath oil, so then your skin absorbs it. You can make a hot compress with on a soaking cloth and add 1 or 2 drops of your oil. You can mix a few drops of essential oil with some lotion and moisturize your body. And internally, you need to check the bottle to make sure the oil is safe for internal use before you decide to take any oil internally. Not every oil is licensed for internal use, so check the label. So you can place the essential oil if you want to have it internally. You can put it in a veggie capsule and swallow it with water, just like any other capsule. The other way of using that is any beverage, hot or cold. You can put like 1 or 2 drops of lemon and put some hot or cold water. So first, you start by putting the lemon and let it just swirl your cup so that it's spread around the cup. And then you put your water or tea, and you got instant lemon tea. Tastes quite nice. You can place a few drops of oil, 1 or 2 drops of oil in your yogurt or applesauce. So lavender, lemon, and peppermint. doTERRA does a set of these, quite reasonably priced, and it's a good 3 hours to start with. If you can't buy the packs of 10, this is really good. It can cover you for a lot of stuff. So lemon, you can add lemon oil to a spray bottle of water and clean countertops and surfaces with that. And you can place lemon oil in your diffuser to help create an uplifting environment. You can add a few drops of lemon oil to a glass of water for a refreshing beverage. So lavender. Lavender reduces the appearance of skin imperfections or soothes occasional skin irritation. You can soothe occasional skin irritation by applying lavender oil. You can also place a few drops of lavender oil in a diffuser to help ease feelings of tension. You can promote an environment of restful sleep by adding a few drops of lavender oil to bedding or pillows or the bottom of your feet before bedtime. Finally, peppermint. You can diffuse peppermint oil to help promote feelings of easy breathing and clear airways. You can freshen your breath by placing 1 drop of peppermint oil in your mouth. You can add peppermint oil to your shampoo and or conditioner to give yourself a stimulating hair massage. So any questions? For those of you who are watching this video from a recording, I will put the link for the little booklet with all this information, and also the link for my store so that you can order a pack, a set of these 3 oils to try if you want. Alternatively, just contact me if you want any other information. Thank you for listening. Thank you for coming today. So